Here's how you would do a screen recording of your iPad. So what you have to do first is, well, you know what? I'm going to turn on, let's see if I can turn on my pointer. Okay, so this is what I wanted, this little thing, so that way you could see where I'm looking at. Okay, so come into settings. Okay, so from settings, what you want to do is you want to come down here to Control Center, right underneath General. Okay, so in Control Center, click on Customize Buttons. So then what probably is, this is the one you want, screen recording. And probably it's like down here somewhere, because I don't think it defaults to be up here on the top. So wherever you see screen recording, just hit the little plus, and then so it comes up here to the top. That's exactly where you want it. So now, since you're going to be doing screen recordings, you're going to want this little thing right here to kind of show people where you're, to kind of draw their attention to whatever it is you're talking about. So this thing, what I'm using, that's just a controller for the magnifying glass. So to turn that thing on, you come to accessibility. And then with accessibility, let's see if I remember right here, zoom. And then you turn this on. Okay, so then when you turn on zoom, right here underneath in the little bullets, it says double tap with 3 fingers to zoom, drag 3 fingers to move around the screen, and then double tap 3 fingers and drag to change the zoom. So what that means is if I use my 3 fingers with 3 fingers and then I double tap on the screen, it turns on this thing right here, which is the magnifying glass. You see how it kind of magnifies? So now what this controller does is just like another way to control the magnifying glass, okay? So I use the controller in a way that it's really not meant to be. So to turn off that magnifier, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna tap right in the middle on that little pill looking thing. And then I'm gonna click on zoom out. But the little remote's still here. So this is just the remote that controls that magnifying glass. It's kind of like a joystick, but I use it just to kind of show what I'm talking about. Okay, so from here now, to start a recording, what you would do is you come up here right underneath the little battery and the 49% and the Wi-Fi and all that stuff, and then you swipe down from the outside. So from the border in the outside, you swipe down until you get these little controller options. So then right here is the recorder that'll let you screen record. So what you do is you tap on it and then you hold on it, like hold your finger down, and then what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you the choice to start the screen recording. But before you start the screen recording, you need to make sure the microphone is on, and you'll see the little icon right underneath it that'll say microphone off, because it defaults to off. And I've made that mistake a couple of times where I started the screen recording, then I'm talking, and then when I play it afterwards, it doesn't have any audio because I forgot to turn the microphone on. So just make sure you tap it, and then it'll tell you microphone is on, and then push the button, and then it'll give you a countdown, a 3-second countdown, and then it'll start doing the screen recording. So then when you're done, you just tap on it again, and then give it like a second or two, and it's processing the videos, and then it'll throw the video into your Photos app, okay? And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tap it, and it's gonna stop the screen recording, and then I'll email it to you, okay?